These spikes must be fully retractable for the seabed approach.
But the armor plating compromises the turning radius right here.
We need a modular design, Captain.
We'll mount the harpoons here, right above the prow,
but what about the weight distribution?
The flotation tanks should compensate.
The ROV is secured. We are commencing the lift.
All hands, stand clear of the tether.
The submersible continues its grid search pattern, the sonar sweeping the abyssal plain for any sign of the missing container.
I'm on station. I have visual contact with the object. It appears to be intact. Vectoring you to my position now.
Now, coming down. Hold the line steady on the starboard side. Watch your feet, she's heavy.
Welcome aboard. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enjoy the show.
Look at the size of those wheels. I can't believe it. It's exactly as the prophecy foretold. We have to secure this engine block immediately. All right, set the engine block here on the pallet. Got it. Make sure the spikes are facing up on these wheels.
That casing near the top seems structurally sound.
I agree. We should prioritize that one for desalinization. starboard engine block looks good. Did the spikes for the wheels arrive?
Yes, they are logged and ready for fitting tomorrow.
We align this section first, mind the pressure points here.
So this connects directly to the coupling, Captain.
That is correct. Ensure the seals are clean before mounting.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch your feet. It's clearing the tire. Okay, set it down. Hard right. Bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Easy now. Hold it there. We're almost set. Easy now. Easy. Watch the clearance. All right, she's clear. Bring her down slow. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it steady, watch the spikes.
Securing the forward plating requires a manual latching system, a testament to the brutal simplicity of these war rigs.
Easy now, watch the coupling. Get that wrench tightened down.
It's set, boss.
All right, light them up. She's a beauty, isn't she?
Oh, best rig we built yet.
Ready for the wasteland.
Forged in fire and tempered by the apocalypse, these rusted behemoths guarded the coastal exclusion zones.
We need more chain on the left side. All right, I'll get it secured now. We did it!
Incredible work, everyone. It actually floats.
This seam right here, the corrosion is extensive.
The welding is definitely substandard in this section. The gauge reading is critical.
Take a look at the wheel assembly here.
I see it. The hub looks secure.
All right, let's move out.
All right, everyone, squeeze in. Make sure they get the whole Iron Serpent in the shot.